calling my girlfriend for the past 2 years. Shadi is married and I didn't even know. I had zero idea. This morning around 1 a.m. Someone calls me. It's a WhatsApp call. So my number now. So I need phone. So this person keeps calling or phone like 3 times. I end up sending a text. Who's this? Or to know it's Banban's husband. Same time after it's Banban's husband, he calls me. Anati, this is Banban's husband. I'm not calling to fight with you or anything like that. You know, I'm just calling to tell you to Banban is married and Slala Sonke. And there's Nengosi together. Young Tola. Hey, Manji, I'm still. Hey. Zama process writing. Yamamela, so yeah, I was just calling to tell you, Spanban Shati. Now lie bathroom food. Busy at there for that. What, phone umbuzi if I don't believe. Sharp. Hey, bit on the meat, so I call Ukele, phone Ukele, phone I drop. Send the text you. What's going on? Ukele, sharp. I phone Ukele maybe after 30 minutes. And then the same time when she calls, the first thing she says is, I'm sorry. So I already know it's true. So let me give you a backstory. Me and Okele, we met in 2023 September. Right, so when we met, she was still a student, so we had to bloom full time. So in Bona almost every day. Hlale bloom student, and whenever we are together, mina naye Ukele, there are no signs man ukuthi nomuntu or yini yabo. Phone yayiphendula phambi kwami yakayifihli inami angicheck phone yakhe vele. I've never checked the phone. I've never even touched the phone. Because she's never given me a reason to think okay, unomuntu or a cheater. Sharp. And then 2024 she's still in Bloom. And then she moves from Bloom around June. She moves to Pretoria. She gets a job in Pretoria. So utheki mina bekahlala nekhazini. Apparently kanti bekahlala nomshida. Kimi mina ngazohlala nekhazini yakhe. Okay, cousin yakhe umshida. Alright. Every day I phone Ukele kahle. Even when I call her, like wherever phone, there's never a time where she doesn't answer her phone or anything like that. So that's what I'm also trying to figure out. For so long, bekakwazi kanjani ahlala nomshida endlini. Uyafona everyday ekuseni, uyafona everyday late. And uhlala naye endlini lomshida. You understand? And we are so yeah, it was that situation. So I'd see my girlfriend like once a month. But every day is a koluma. There's never a day where we never talked. So I never thought to tell or anything like that. And at the same time, I send them a picture, and I WhatsApp, he sends pictures of the day of the Lobola. So Shadi traditionally, he sends pictures of the day of the Lobola. He sends pictures of them together with the whole family. And a Christmas picture. He sends pictures, Nengosi, and like everything. Send yonke into. Oh, so I don't understand, Peter. I don't understand. I don't know, maybe I'm stupid, man, or maybe I don't. But I still, I can't process the whole thing. How I missed it. I don't know. I don't know how I missed it. Like, I had zero idea. I was never even suspicious at all. Like, nix. I was never suspicious. I had zero idea. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, I don't know. And then when she called me, when she was apologizing and whatever, futhi ayazi into ingeke ukukhuluma, but yeah, so I'm single now.
Ya sanibona, awubakithi asikizi indoda ifound outhile kubuhlungu bandla. Ayikho-ke into edabukisa njengendoda efound outhile bakithi. Ayikho, kukho nje into edabukisa njengendoda efound outhile. Ivele nje ingakholwa. The same way that umuntu wesifazane uma efound outhile uvela angakholwa. Uyabona nje kuvele kufane. Awu bandla, sorry bhuti. So ngithi anginike le video bakithi ngoba uqala kaDisemba. Uyabona nje maqala uDisemba uza nenjabulo kodwa futhi uza ne-heartbreak because abaningi bazofound out ngoDisemba. Kuyafound out-ke ngoDisemba. Kuyafound out khona laba abaseJoburg abazothi beyitshela ukuthi abantu bayaguduka kanti bayoshada. Uyabona leyo nto, kanti baya kuy'ngoduso zabo, baye emasokeni abangempela and all. Kuyafound out-ke ngoDisemba. So nibe careful bakithi, nibe safe. Uyabona ney'nhliziyo zenu zibe right ngoJanuwari. Uyabona leyo nto, inyanga yokufound out le. Uma usurvive uDisemba awusobuye ufound out. Hayi, sorry bhuti ukuthi ufound outhile. At least kodwa usuzodla uDisemba wakho kahle, usufound outhile waphelelwa uyicala. Abanye bethu mhlawumbe basazofound out. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much. Bye.